YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Actually doing a car video today, not a Toyo reveal. And it is gonna be because once again we have changed up cars in the garage. So now for my new vehicle that will now wear the dingo plate, it is a 2020, brand new on the lot. It was leftover stock, but it's a 2020 Dodge Challenger. And this is a triple nickel, and this is actually the blacktop package. So with the blacktop package you get your whole front grille is blacked out, all of these inserts, the Challenger logo is blacked out. Coming around to the side on your stock, I guess your standard Challenger, you have 19-inch wheels, and they're kind of a satin or a metal finish. And on this one you get 20-inch wheels, and they're blacked out. I actually think that wheel looks really good on the car. It does need to be lowered because it's sitting like a 4x4. Coming along on the back, once again another 20-inch wheel, and your fuel door is blacked out. It's the blacktop edition, which I think looks really good with the paint. Moving into the back even further, you have a spoiler that is like a satin or a flat black. Instead of the body colored spoiler. And on the very back where it says Dodge, it is written in black. I think it's a really good color combination. I actually would have preferred the green, but they didn't have any. This was actually leftover stock. It had $7,500 worth of rebates. So got it relatively cheap for a brand new car with no miles. It actually has the functional hood scoops. And I haven't been able to leave it alone. I've only had it a little bit, but we had to get the windows tinted, of course, as dark as I could get them, and label it with the YouTube channel. And over here, this will be a video next week or week after. It's a little sneak peek. Let's see. Can you see it in there? Yeah. Doing a full catback exhaust system in Borla. Because one of the things I hate about this car is that it is a very quiet car with the stock mufflers. Once again, that is triple nickel blacktop edition. And I'm not going to do a full in-depth video and take you driving in it yet, but I'm going to show you around the interior. I think in 2015, I think they did an upgrade, kind of updated the interior. So you've got your standard gauges, infotainment or info center right there in the middle. There's your infotainment center. I really like the shifter in this, and it is manumatic, but I don't think that it doesn't feel like a manual at all, so I don't even use it. I do have a phone holder, so I cannot stand the phones bouncing around or not being able to see, so this is actually a really nice one. It holds the phone with magnetic. All of this is leather. The door panels are leather, and this is a really nice leather with good stitching. You have nice cup holders in the door, 2 cup holders in the center, so up front alone you have 4 cup holders. And then there's a weird pocket back here, and I'm not really sure who's supposed to use it. Maybe the people in the back seat, but that doesn't happen in our house. Pardon me, I do have a cold, so I don't sound all that good. And there's your interior, and once again, the blacktop edition on the steering wheel. But it is I went actually to look at a Jeep Cherokee, and they actually had 2 of these sitting on the lot left over from 2020 with no miles and huge rebates. So I picked this up brand new for what a lot of used ones were going for. It does have the fog lights, the daytime running lights when you're driving, These here they are yellow. I do have a rear diffuser that'll be going on in another upcoming video. And I'm not sure when we're going to get it lowered. That'll be in an upcoming video too, but we're going to get the exhaust on first. I really cannot stand the way it sounds from the factory. So I'm really hoping that the board exhaust will open it up and make it sound a whole lot better. And on top of this, we actually bought a 2021 Jeep Compass in orange, but my wife is out driving it, so we'll have that for another video. But there she is. This actually replaced the Slingshot. I don't dislike the Slingshot, but in 1 year of ownership, I drove it 1,500 miles. Weather wasn't working out, or it was a little too cool, or for whatever reason, because of no doors, I just decided to get rid of it and get something with doors and windows. And still keeping money set aside. I'm trying to buy a dream car, but I just don't know what my dream car is going to be. I don't know if that's going to be a C8 Corvette or if it's going to be a Lotus. Do not know yet. But there she is. 2020 Challenger SXT. 305 horsepower. And she's fun. And of course, the daily driver. Anyway, if you could help us grow the channel by hitting subscribe, leave a comment if you have a Challenger, or you know somebody that does, and you know some good modifications that will change the whole look or attitude of the car. Leave a comment and let us know. We are always looking for new things to do, so look for the next video to be up soon next week after we get the exhaust put on. Until then, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it. Bye bye.